Now we are going to start with the financial bill today. Welcome everyone. I am Arpita Sharma from Arpita Sharma classes, and we are starting the financial bills today. So we have so far covered the president, impeachment, election. We have covered the first function, that is the legislative function. Now we have also covered the financial function. But in the financial function we studied the money bill and we studied the Consolidated Fund of India, the CGA and CAG. Now we are going to move ahead to the financial bill. After covering the financial bill, Article 117 of Indian Constitution, we'll be moving to the other parts of the President of India. Okay, so this is a continuation of the last lecture that we covered. Today we are going to start with financial bill. When we talk about financial bills, they are dealt with under Article 117, subsection 1, and under Article, write it down, under Article 117 and subsection 3. These are the two subsections under which the financial bills under Article 117 are dealt with. Okay. Now money bill is a species of financial bill only. Money bill इसी का part है. ठीक है. Write it down. This is money bill. ठीक है. ये हो गया money bill. और ये हो गया आपका financial bill. This will be financial bill. And when we talk about the money bill and financial bill, it is a part of financial bill only. It's a subspecies of financial bill only. ठीक है, ये point आपको यहाँ पर याद रखना है. It's a subspecies of financial bill. Not all financial bills are money bill. But ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे ही financial bill money bills होते हैं. Write it down. Not all financial bills are money bills. Okay. So money bills are categorized under two parts. ये हो गया part 1 and ये हो गया part 2. Money Article 117 subsection 1, Article 117 subsection 3. So first we are going to study part 1. Part 1 में क्या आता है? Article 117 subsection 1. This is a part of financial bill type 1. Okay. So when we talk about our financial bill type 1, it is defined as a bill, write it down, that contains matters not only related to Article 110. Article 110 was article of money bill, okay, but also other matters of finances. All right. So आर्टिकल 117 सबसेक्शन 1 में जो टाइप 1 आता है फाइनेंशियल बिल का, उसमें सिर्फ आर्टिकल 110 से रिलेटेड मैटर्स नहीं होते. फाइनेंसेस के बाकी के जो मैटर्स हैं वो भी टाइप 1 में कवर होते हैं. ओके. अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट यू विल स्टडी ओवर हियर इज that its similarity with money bill. What is the similarity of type 1 of financial bill with the money bill? Write it down. Similarity with money bill. तो पहली similarity हो जाती है that it is introduced only in लोक सभा. जैसे कि मनी बिल सिर्फ लोकसभा में इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, ऐसे ही फाइनेंशियल बिल टाइप 1 is introduced only in लोक सभा, which is similar to money bill. And second is that it is introduced only on the recommendation of president. ये सिर्फ प्रेसिडेंट के रिकमेंडेशन पर ही इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. These two points are important for your preliminary examination. Now this is the similarity. ये तो हमने पढ़ लिया कि similarity क्या है मनी बिल के साथ. Now we will understand what is the difference with money bill. इसकी difference क्या है, मतलब on which aspect it differs with the money bill. So differs from the money bill. तो ये हो गया difference with money bill. First difference is that it can be either rejected or it can be either amended. It can be amended or rejected by Rajya Sabha RS, which is not the case with money bill. Money bill में ऐसा तो नहीं होता. Financial bill type 1 can be either rejected or amended by Rajya Sabha, but money bill has to be accepted by Rajya Sabha. Okay. Second difference is that there is a provision of joint sitting. There is a provision of joint sitting summoned by president. And when is the joint sitting called by president? In case of deadlock. In case of deadlock, अगर राज्यसभा और लोकसभा के बीच में फाइनेंशियल बिल टाइप 1 को लेके if there is any dispute, then in case of deadlock president can summon a joint sitting. Okay, but that is not the case in money bill because money bill was only passed in Lok Sabha. Only लिखा हुआ ना, it is only introduced in Lok Sabha, राज्यसभा तक नहीं जाता. And third point of difference is, third क्या है, that the president can give his assent or can withhold the bill or can even return the bill for consideration. प्रेसिडेंट क्या कर सकता है, या तो रिजेक्ट कर सकता है बिल को, या परमिशन दे सकता है, या इवन विदहोल्ड कर सकता है, या वापस भेज सकता है फाइनेंशियल बिल टाइप 1 को. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया यहाँ तक. एंड मनी बिल इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. Okay, so that is not the case in money bill. So this is the difference between the financial bill and the money bill. ये point आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया. So this was about financial bill type 1. Now we will study financial bill type 2. I hope you are all noting this down. मैं उम्मीद कर रही हूँ कि आप notes ले रहे हो. If you're not taking notes, please don't waste time. Take notes, all right, so that you can revise very efficiently later on. New batches on Unacademy Plus for the UPSC CSE 2022 and 23 examination are starting from 1st of December 2021, and these batches are in Hindi also, individually, and English also, and in bilingual language also as per your language preference. The best thing is that now you will get huge discounts on these batches. अब इन batches पे आपको मिल रहे हैं बड़े अच्छे discount. If you are taking a combo subscription, that is GS plus optional subscription, wherein pre, mains and optional everything will be covered. So on that we are providing 25% discount with optional, 10% discount if you use this referral code ARPITA10, and 2500 flat discount on your combo subscription. So that means whereas in the other coaching centers you know spend 2.5 to 3 lakhs on your UPSC preparation, here for 1 year preparation you will have to spend only 55,000 rupees. And the best thing about this is that we are providing 3 months free extension also if you are taking a GS or combo subscription of 1 year or more. And over here all these offers are valid only till today. So if you subscribe today, you will be a part of these huge discounts and great offers on Unacademy Plus. तो यहाँ पर इतना अफोर्डेबल, और इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर्स, इवन दोज हु हैव क्लियर्ड दिस एग्जाम, दे कम ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म टू टीच यू, टू शेयर देयर स्ट्रैटेजी, टू शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंस. So make sure that you subscribe today. The links are given below in the description box. Now coming towards the next type of bill, that is the financial bill type 2, which is treated as ordinary bill. It deals with provisions involving expenditure from Consolidated Fund of India, but money bill से related कोई matter इसमें cover नहीं होता. ठीक है? And President can again give assent to this bill, can withhold it or can return it back. It can be rejected or amended in either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. And in case there is a deadlock between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, then the President can summon joint sitting in that case. और इसको राज्यसभा जो है, लोकसभा जो है, ऐसा नहीं है कि इट कैन नॉट बी पास्ड बाय ईदर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. इट कैन बी पास्ड बाय ईदर हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. ओके, पार्लियामेंट हैज टू, president has to recommend them, then only it can be passed. All right, without president's recommendation it cannot be passed in either house of the parliament. That you have to remember. All right, so this is about the financial bill type 2. ये हो गया आपका financial bill type 2. All right, so we are going to make a table now. अब हम एक table बनाएंगे. So money bill, we are going to understand the difference between money bill and financial bill through this table. ठीक है? Now money bill is covered by article 110. All right, and financial bill type 1 is covered under article 117 subsection 1, and type 2 is covered under article 117 subsection 2. All right, now when we talk about the meaning of money bill, it deals with financial matters. It deals with the financial matters which are prescribed under article 110. And the financial bill deals with, write it down, यहाँ पर ना मैं इस line को हटा देती हूँ because the meaning of the same is same. All right, so financial bill, write it down, deals with provisions of revenue एंड एक्सपेंडिचर, जो नॉर्मल रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर होता है वो यहाँ पर इससे कवर होता है, ठीक है। देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिल इज फाइनेंशियल बिल? फाइनेंशियल बिल किस तरीके का बिल है ये समझ लेते हैं। फाइनेंशियल बिल आई टोल्ड यू इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी बिल, ठीक है। क्या है ये? इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ordinary bill, all right, and money bill, it is a government bill. Now financial bill is introduced only in, कहाँ पर introduce होता है financial bill, कहाँ introduced हो सकता है? It first of all money bill is introduced only in लोक सभा, ये तो सिर्फ लोक सभा में ही introduced होता है, ठीक है। And financial bill it can be introduced in लोक सभा, type 1 can be introduced in लोक सभा and type 2 can be introduced in both लोक सभा and राज्य सभा, ठीक है। ये लोक सभा और राज्य सभा दोनों में इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकता है। इट कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन बोथ लोक सभा एंड राज्य सभा, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। नाउ कमिंग ऑन टुवर्ड्स द प्रेसिडेंट्स अप्रूवल, यहाँ पर प्रेसिडेंट की जो अप्रूवल होती है फाइनेंशियल बिल में, यस इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, ओके। एंड इन मनी बिल अगेन प्रेसिडेंट्स अप्रूवल इज रिक्वायर्ड। Now what is the role of Rajya Sabha? Yes, Rajya Sabha का रोल है इसमें? No, there is no role of Rajya Sabha. It is introduced only in Lok Sabha. Now in financial bill, there is again no role of Rajya Sabha because it is introduced only in Lok Sabha ना, that is why. ठीक है, यहाँ तक पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया? तो यहाँ पर इसमें सेम रोल होता है, और यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर सेम रोल ऑफ राज्य सभा, सेम रोल ऑफ राज्य सभा as that of लोक सभा, ठीक है। एंड जॉइंट सिटिंग यस होती है यहाँ पर दोनों में, ठीक है, अगर डेडलॉक हो जाता है। अगेन हियर देयर इज नो प्रोविजन ऑफ जॉइंट सिटिंग बिकॉज इट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ओनली इन लोक सभा, तो यहाँ पर प्रोविजन नहीं होता जॉइंट सिटिंग का, ठीक है। यहाँ पर पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया सभी को? तो ये हो गया आपका डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मनी बिल एंड द फाइनेंशियल बिल। अब यहाँ पर ना स्पीकर का सर्टिफिकेशन भी चाहिए होता है, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन। स्पीकर सर्टिफिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड ओवर हियर to pass the money bill, all right, and यहाँ पर speaker certification not required, speakers certification not required, इसमें required होता है। So this is the difference between money bill and financial bill, and after president's assent these bills become the act and then they are published in the Indian statute book, all right. So this was about the financial powers of the president and the different kinds of bills that we studied. Now I hope आपके सारे doubts clear हो गए होंगे. In the next lecture we are going to study the judicial powers of the president.